everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Homeliness Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. This week I will be planning out the week of September 28th through October 4th using this beautiful kit called Amber from Paper Muse Crafts. So without any further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base, and then we'll get to the day today. Okay, so starting off on Monday, I'm just marking that I uploaded my plan with me, and I am aware I have not zoomed in yet. Do not worry, I fix it. I don't know what it was. I was kind of off my game throughout this entire plan with me. There were so many times I looked up and I was like, oh, I'm out of frame. Oh, I missed that. So I don't know what it was. I guess it was just one of those off days. But anyways, to mark my plan with me going live, I'm just using a label from the kit, a little piece of deco, and that planner is from Planning World, and the upload plan with me script is a custom that my mom made for me. The next thing I want to mark is that I had my Zoom class on this day. So to mark that, I'm using one of those little flags from the kit, another piece of sunflower deco. The phone icon is from the kit, and the Zoom class Plan with me script is another custom that my mom made for me. Can I just say how much I adore how many sunflowers are in this kit? Sunflowers are my absolute favorite flower of all time. They're just so happy and so gorgeous, and anything sunflower gives me life. Sunflowers were my wedding flower, and yes, I am all about that sunflower life. The next thing I wanted to mark is that I had a Hulu binge on this night. I finally finished How I Met Your Mother for like the 15,000th time, and I'm not even sorry about it. The ending still sucks. I still don't like the ending, and I will forever be salty about it, but the rest of the show is great. So to mark that, I'm using a half box from the kit. That sunflower deco is from the Sweet Planner. The TV icon is from the Glitter Mama, and the Hulu binge script is another custom that my mom made. So this next thing that you're gonna see that I have marked is another one of those, I was off my game, and for some reason, I guess I got like a phone call or something and it cut my camera off and it stopped recording. Luckily I looked up and saw, but basically I just marked that I had a bunch of like school stuff to do. I used a header from the kit, a confetti circle, and those glasses. That's a piece of deco from the kit as well, and that's just to mark that I had a lot of like school type stuff to do on this night. Then to finish off the night, I'm gonna mark that I wrote a lot of stuff down in my bullet journal. I've been really trying to get better at writing in my bullet journal and really getting better at memory keeping, especially since I use my vertical planner for memory keeping. I'm really like bulleting down the things that I need. So I did a lot of bujo work tonight. So to mark that, I'm using this quarter box from Panda Bird Designs. That planner is from Crafts by Towie, and then I layered it over top of another piece of deco from the Sweet Planner. And then to cap off the night, I'm using this beautiful lace divider from Bloom Paper Studios. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. It's such a high quality thing, and I can't believe I only ordered one sheet in each color. I'm gonna need like 10 more, I swear. Jumping over to Tuesday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I slept in on this day. So to mark that, I'm using a piece of cut washi from the kit, a floral frame box from Crafts by Towie, and that adorable sleeping pillow is from Papershire, and the sleep in script is another custom from my mom. Then I wanted to mark that I had kind of a lazy day where I attempted to edit my haul on this day, and guys, I swear a haul is coming, but I hate the sound of my voice so much that I get really irritated whenever I edit, because I'm like, oh my gosh, Jen, shut up, you're talking far too much. So it's coming. I'm just like getting more and more aggravated with myself, so bear with me. But to mark that I had a lazy day, I used 2 flags from the kit layered over top of mandala from Honey Inked. The Lazy Day script is from Pink Leaf Prints. That little chair icon is from Planning World, and that bow at the top is from Bloom Paper Studio. And then I speckled a couple of those like star speckles from Letters from Lay. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I did some more journaling on this day. So to mark that, I'm using another piece of deco from the Sweet Planner, a confetti circle from the kit, and that stack of books is also from the kit as well. So I'm really trying to utilize as much from the kit as possible. Of course, I always bring in other stuff, but you know, I'm trying. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I watched the show Swamp People on Amazon Prime. Oh my gosh, if you guys have never seen that show, it's so entertaining. It's about Cajuns and the way that they go gator hunting and everything, and it's a trip. It's pretty cool. So to mark that, I used a quarter box from Panda Bird Design. That little TV is from Crafts by Towie. And then to cap off the night, I used another piece of deco from Letters from Lay. Jumping over to Wednesday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I had my Zoom class. So to mark that, I used another piece of washi from the kit. That's actually from the bottom washi. It was some leftover, so I layered a floral frame box from Crafts by Towie over that. And then that adorable sports bra icon is from Miss and Meow. I actually hauled a bunch of her stuff in the haul that is coming. But I couldn't wait for that haul to go up to use it, so. The next thing I wanted to mark is that I took a nap on my couch on this day. So to mark that, I'm using another piece of deco from the Sweet Planner. That scalloped bow box is from Panda Bird Design. Those slippers are from Miss and Meow, and the nap time script is a custom that my mom made. And then that little swoosh is actually from Planning Like a Pro. The next thing I wanted to mark is that I did more journaling on this day. So to mark that, I'm using a label from the kit, and then I took a starburst from Honey Inked, cut it in half, and kind of like franken-planned it together to kind of do this like spider webby burst type of a thing. And then I layered this little book that's actually a piece of deco from the same Sweet Planner sheet as the sunflowers, and I just thought it was super cute. So jumping over to Thursday, this is the first day of October, so to mark that, I am using another piece of the sunflower deco from the Sweet Planner, and then I take an adorable bowstrung pumpkin box from the Giving Girl. I love these things so much, and I'm gonna try and use them as much as I can in terms of fall because, oh my gosh, they're so cute. And I just layer that over top of the deco from the Sweet Planner. And then the Hello October script is from Rose Colored Days. I love these so much. I think it looks so cute, and I'm so happy it's October because I love spoopy season. I love the holidays. I know this year's gonna be like way different because, you know, the world is crazy right now, but hopefully we can still enjoy the holidays and there will still be that like same feeling in the air. I love the holidays so much. Anyways, the next thing I wanted to mark is that my apartment complex on this day decided to try a new way to pay rent, and it literally had my husband and I running across town trying to get this figured out because their systems weren't working, and we're like, oh my gosh, we pay our rent on time all the time. What is happening? So I'm just marking that we had a really hard time paying rent, and we eventually had to go back to the way that we did it before because their system wasn't working, and it was just a very frustrating thing. But anyways, then the next thing I wanted to mark is that I had a bestie day with my sister-in-law and my older sister. We went to Home Goods, which is always a fun time. I picked up some fall decor for my house, which really put me in a good mood. I've got some cinnamon potpourri going and really feeling those vibes. So to mark that, I used a label from the kit, and then I layered the credit card icon from the kit over top of a confetti circle. Then to cap off the night, I had a personal training session on this night. So to mark that, I used another flag from the kit and another sunflower deco piece from the Sweet Planner, and that shoe is from the Glitter Mama. And then I capped it all off and filled in the rest of the white space with another lace divider from Bloom Paper Studio. Jumping over to Friday, this was our nephew's 7th birthday, so I wanted to mark us going over and celebrating that. So to mark that, I used another bow scallop box from Panda Bird Design. Those sunflowers are from the Sweet Planner, and then that birthday gift cupcake icon is from Sweet Tea Plans, and then the happy birthday rose gold script is a custom that my mom made for me. The next thing I wanted to mark on this night is that I filmed some workouts for my personal training client. I was a little backed up on some of her workouts, so I needed to film a whole mess of them. So I just kind of saddled myself down and filmed like 5 workouts in a row, just knocked them out really good, so that way I could edit them and send them to her as the week goes on, because I only meet with my personal training client in person once a week, and the rest of the time I send her videos and do Zoom calls and everything. And I was a little bit behind on sending her some workouts because I was really busy doing school and whatnot, and it just got away from me. So I was like, okay, I need to knock this out and pre-plan her workout. So I got that taken care of. So to mark that, I used a quarter box from the kit, a piece of a sunflower deco from the Sweet Planner, the camera is an icon from the kit, and then that adorable swoosh is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that my sister called me and we chatted on the phone and kind of just, shot the she and whatnot. So to mark that, I'm using an arrow from the kit, and that cell phone is from the Glitter Mama. Then I wanted to mark that on this night, I played the new Animal Crossing fall update. I know I'm such a nerd, but I adore Animal Crossing so much. It's like been the best stress and anxiety relief in terms of this pandemic. Like if I'm feeling stressed or overwhelmed, I'm like, let me just escape onto my little island in Animal Crossing, because that's where I wish I was. So I was really excited about this. So to mark that, I used a half box from the kit, another Starburst from Honey Inked. The switch icon is from Planning World. And then to finish off the night, I watched more Swamp People. I've been really obsessed with that show. It's like, I don't know, I get like on these kicks of like shows that I'm obsessed with. So to mark that, I used another label from the kit, and that binge watch icon is from the GP Studio. And then I used a little floral divider from Honey Inked to fill in the white space. Jumping over to Saturday, I wanted to mark that this was kind of a super duper lazy day, so I layered 2 flags from the kit together, and then I got to pull in this adorable scallop circle box from Miss and Meow. I love it so much. And then I layered some more deco from the Sweet Planner, and those slippers are from Miss and Meow as well. I adore these. I know I'm already gonna have to restock on some of these because they're just so easy to work with, and they pair so well with so many things. And then I bring in some floral foil from Honey Inked to kind of fill in that gap in between the top and the scallop circle. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that our friends had a bonfire on this night, and I was like, this was the first night that I was like, okay, it is absolutely fall, because it was nice and cool. I actually got to wear a sweater. It was so nice. We barbecued. My husband smoked some pork chops, and our really good friend smoked chicken. Oh, it was so good. So to mark that, I used another half box from the kit, some more floral deco from the Sweet Planner. That sweater is a piece of deco from the kit, and then I pulled in that bow flourish from Rose Colored Days. Then, of course, since we went out on this night, I actually had to mark that I got to actually get ready, put makeup on, and I was like, this is a monumentous occasion because it hasn't happened very often, so I have to mark it in my planner. So to mark that, I used another quarter box from the kit. I took a doily dot from Crafts by Towie, cut it in half, and framed in that icon, which is this beautiful makeup bag from the Sweet Planner, and oh, I love the way that that turned out. Then to cap off the night, since it is spoopy season, my husband's been trying to get me to watch these movies for so long, and finally I broke down and watched the movie Hellraiser. I know. I've been like putting it off because I'm like, I don't know. But we started watching the Hellraiser series. So to mark that, I used another quarter box from the kit, a confetti circle, and then that popcorn icon is from the Glitter Mama. And then to fill in that white space, I used another vine divider from Letters from Lay. Jumping over to Sunday, I wanted to mark that we streamed church on this day. So to mark that, I used another flag from the kit, that beautiful frame box from Meg B Makes. Oh, I am obsessed with these. I love pulling these into spreads. They go so well with so many things. If you haven't checked out Meg B Makes already, what are you even doing? Get up, go check her out because, oh my gosh, I love her little frame boxes. That deco is once again from the Sweet Planner. The bow is from Bloom Paper Studios. The church icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the script is from Planner Kate. Whew, I love marking church in really pretty ways. Even though I can't physically go and we have to stream it, I still like to mark it in like a really special way. Then I wanted to mark that I did some laundry on this day. The never-ending battle with me and laundry. So to mark that, I used another quarter box and flag from the kit, along with the laundry icon from the kit. And the laundry script is another custom that my mom made for me. Then I wanted to mark that I actually edited this plan with me. So to mark that, I used a flag from the kit, some more sunflower deco. I tried to pull in as many sunflowers as possible because I'm like, yes, sunflowers, it's fall, bring in all of that sunshiny flower goodness. The icon is from Crafts by Towie, the script is from my mom's shop, and the bow flourish is from Rose Colored Days. Then to cap off the night, I watched Plans Change episode 4 with Rachel and Shantae, and they discussed social media and the social dilemma, and that was kind of a heavier topic, but they were so engaged in the comments, and I love how they address everything. If you guys aren't checking out their Instagram lives, what are you even doing? So to mark that, I used some cut washi from the kit. That frame box is from Crafts by Towie, and then that planner is from Planning World. That completes the spread. Here are the leftovers and a Viv Wiggle. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!